Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My video today is an unboxing and a quick review of a wallet on chain by YSL. Long story short, I was just browsing West Edmonton Mall the other day and I noticed a brand new YSL store. I didn't plan to get anything that day, but just to check out the new store to see what they have and maybe to try on some of the purses that I have seen a lot on the website and a positive review about it. But because Edmonton never really had a YSL store in the city, so I didn't really have a chance to really try those purse or bags in person. Then I saw a small wallet on chain on display, and I asked them whether I can take a look at it. The bag seems to be too small for me. Then I asked the salesperson whether they have a bigger size of the same style. The salesperson didn't seem to know what I was asking. Then another salesperson stepped in and advised him to maybe go check in the back, as they may have had a bigger size in the back but not on display. So that gentleman came back and brought out this bag, which is the one that I left the store with that day. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, as you can see, the handle of the bag is taped with the black tape, so it kind of matched the color of the bag. So that's why I have to cut it open. This is how YSL kind of package their purse in a way. And so I'm just gonna cut it open at the handle and take out the box. That, so it's supposed to, okay, so it was like this, and then when you remove the tape, you can have it open like this, and inside there is I don't know how I can show you. Okay, so inside there is a box. So this is the box of the purse that you actually purchase if you decide to go with the purchase. And the box of the YSL looks really beautiful with the matte black, and I think it's made by paper. So you open it, this is where the box, okay, it's supposed to be like this, I guess, and it comes with a dust bag to store the bag, and inside here is the bag. So I think it comes with warranty. I think the guy said that it has a 2-year warranty, and if there's anything wrong with the bag, then I can just always bring it back. So here it is. This is the Monogram wallet on chain by YSL in the color Blanc Vintage. So it technically is like off-white color. I don't have any white purse or bag in my collection because, you know, white is usually hard to maintain, and I'm more like a person looking for something low maintenance when it comes to bags, because I don't want to be worried about my bags every single time I use it. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna zoom it in a little bit for you to see the color better. It is 100% calfskin, and it has a snap button closure, as you can see here, and you can't really fit a lot in here because it is a wallet on chain. At the end of the day, it is just a wallet on chain. The inside layout is pretty functional, in my opinion. It has a zipper compartment in the middle with 2 compartments on the sides of the on either side, and it can fit about 10 different card slots. And in the inner side of the card slot, you have a small pocket where you can put letter, note, or anything like that. The chain is removable, and as you can see here, the chain is removable with the snap on and off. So if you decide to use it as an evening clutch, you can simply remove it instead of tucking the chain in as compared to other wallet on chains. Yeah, the leather feels very sturdy in my opinion, and I really like this color. With a texture caviar leather, it is a very durable purse, which makes it a very perfect choice for any occasions or like any weddings. when you are at an occasion, or let's say when you are at a wedding or an event, you don't want to be worried about your bag. You can just put this one on a table, on a bar, on a chair, and you don't have to worry so much about it get dirt or anything, because with this kind of material, you can simply wipe it clean, as compared to, let's say, a Dior or a Chanel. Given the amount of money you invest in those bags, and the material or the leather of those bags, you might have some sort of a concern, like me. When I wear a Dior bag to an event, I don't want it to get dirty or get any thing, because it may be hard to wipe it clean. With this material, it's just so easy to wipe it clean. And that's why I think this is a very so carefree bag to bring to an occasion or an event. The chain can be very handy when it comes to the point that, or any occasion where you want to hold a drink and you are busy with something on the other hand. So you can put the strap on your shoulder just like this, and then you can have hand-free doing whatever with your hands. And even though the strap is adjustable, now I'm going to show you, if you would like it to be a little bit longer, you can always remove the snap here and take it out one button, so that the strap can be a little bit longer. Even though the strap is adjustable, I think that the strap is you cannot adjust so much or too much with this strap, and it is a very short strap, to be honest with you. If you are, I think if you are taller than 165 centimeter, you might 165 centimeters or 5'5", you might not be able to wear this one as a crossbody. As for me, I am quite short, and I am only 157 centimeters or 5 feet, maybe 5'2". So this one still work for me as a crossbody. But if you are taller, much taller than me, you may not be able to use it as a crossbody. In that case, you can always remove the strap and use it as a clutch, an evening clutch, or you can use it on the shoulder like this. So I'm gonna quickly show you. I think this is a very, very perfect length for for people with a similar height like me. And if I would like to do crossbody, which is how it's supposed to be, I think it sits a little bit high. It's supposed to be around here for a wallet on chain. But for me, I think that I'm still fine with it. If by any chance I would like to wear it this way, I think it still work. So if you are much taller than me and you are interested in this wallet on chain, that is something you might be considering, or something that you should keep in mind, because the chain of this wallet on chain is quite short. I can totally see how this bag or wallet on chain can be my go-to bag when I have any occasions or weddings to go to, because the size and the functionality of this bag is well suited for that purpose. I love how it looks very elegant and timeless, at the same time luxurious and functional at the same time. And so yeah, I think it is a very good investment. The bag goes almost with every single outfit or every color that you can think of, because of the neutral tone of the shade of the color that I choose. And it is, I personally think it is a gorgeous day to night bag, because of the versatility, because of the functionality, and because of the very elegant look of the bag. Given the short chain of the wallet on chain, I think it's well suited for people. It's well suited as an evening clutch or a shoulder bag for people who are much taller than me. For me, I totally enjoy different ways of wearing this as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody, or an evening clutch. I love the look of it. It looks very elegant. It looks chic but functional at the same time. So I do believe this is a very, very good investment if you are a beginner. You know, if you're starting your luxury collection, this is a very good first item to get. And that's it for my review, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Oh, and as for reference, this bag is retail for $2,010 in Canadian dollars, and plus tax, of course. If you are in Ontario, it should be 13%. If you are in Alberta like me, then it should be 5% of GST. But this one is retail for $2,010, $2,010 Canadian dollars. Okay, 2,010 Canadian dollars. And if you have a chance, please go check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.